Hey there! In this video tutorial we will learn how to download and install the Ice Pro plugins and upgrade already installed zip file on your WordPress dashboard. In this video tutorial we will show you how to download the Ice Pro plugin from your account from our official website. Then, how to upgrade the current premium version with a downloaded zip file. The steps are the same in case you are trying to upgrade the plugin from the free version to the premium one. At first, you need to download the premium version zip file from your account from our official website. For that, we go to the login page, and here we need to fill in the username and password and click on the login button. As you can see, I have already logged into my account on the official website. For today, we will take Quizmaker plugin as an example, but the steps are the same for all the Ice Pro plugins. In order to download the Quizmaker plugin latest version, we need to click on the download button here. So we click on the download button. As we have already downloaded the latest premium version, we can go to our WordPress dashboard to install the plugin. Here is our WordPress dashboard where you can see we have the Quizmaker plugin already activated. However, it's an older version and here we need to upgrade the plugin to the latest premium version. Here we need to click on a deactivate button, then make sure to click on the upgrade button to save all the content and applied settings to the quiz. So we click on the upgrade button. The plugin is successfully deactivated. With the next step, we click on the Add New button, Upload Plugin button and choose the premium version zip file. Then we click on the Install Now button. As you can see, we are going to upgrade the plugin from the current premium version to the latest one. As already mentioned, the steps are the same in case you are trying to upgrade the free version of the plugin to the premium one. Here we need to click on a Replace Current with Uploaded button. Then we need to click on the Activate Plugin button to activate a plugin on your WordPress dashboard. That's all, we have successfully upgraded from the current premium version to the latest one. Don't hesitate to contact our support specialist in case you have any questions. Bye!